Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmritam Jena Tasmi Sri Gurave Namaha. Hare Krishna, dear devotees, welcome to our Iskcon official YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss 7th chapter of Srimad Bhagavatam, 2nd canto, in which Lord incarnations with functions are described by Lord Brahma. So, this is in answer to Narada's question, how is the Lord? He is not the Supreme Lord. The Supreme Lord is someone else. So that is being described. So, first about describing the incarnations, he first cited the incarnation of Lord Boar, who lifted the earth. Boar, there are two incarnations of Lord Boar. In one incarnation he lifted earth, and in another incarnation he not only lifted earth but also killed the Hiranyaksha. Then comes Jagya. Jagya is that is called Manvantara Avatar during the first Manu, who is Swayambhu Manu. Swayambhu Manu is also is an incarnation of the Lord. That is in the opulence of the Lord, Manu and Satarupa. 11th canto, 16th chapter you will hear. You have already heard. Then third incarnation is Kapila. That will be described in 3rd canto. He is the son of Kardama and Devavati, and he will give Sankhya Yoga to his mother, Devavati, in Srimad Bhagavatam 3rd canto, from 25 to 33, the 9 chapters. The 4th incarnation is Dattatreya. He is the son of Anusuya and Atri. That will be described in Srimad Bhagavatam. His birth is described in 4th canto, and his instructions is described in 11th canto, from 7 to 9, these 3 chapters. And 5th incarnation is 4 Kumaras. These 4 sons, the first sons of Brahma is these 4 Kumaras, Sanak, Sanatana, Sanandana, Sanat Kumar. It is described in 1st canto, 3rd chapter. They are Jnana Shakti Avatar. So Kumaras. And there is also a parampara called Sanak Parampara. 6th incarnation is Naranarayana. Naranarayana, the twin sons of Dharma and Murti, and they are the authorized Lord for this Bharatvarsha. That will be described in 5th canto. Narad Muni is praying the Lord Naranarayana. Then 7th incarnation described by Brahma is Prishnigarbha. Prishnigarbha is the son of Prishni and Usutapa. The Lord Krishna in his previous second birth, he came as Prishnigarbha. Then as second he came as Lord Vamana, and third he came as Lord Krishna. That is described in Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto, 3rd chapter, Prishnigarbha. Then 8th incarnation is Pruthu. Pruthu is the son, is generated from friction, from the manthan of Bena, who is an atheist. But Pruthu came, the Lord, Pruthu. And that will be described in 4th canto for Pruthu, how he, Bena, because of Bena didn't follow the Vedic rules, all the production stopped. So Pruthu did this plain, this earth, made it plain, and then all the crops started producing. And that is described in 4th canto, Pruthu. Ninth incarnation is Rishabdev. Sorry. Rishabdev is the son of Navi, that will be described in 5th canto. Navi's son is Rishabdev, and he has famous instructions in 5th canto, chapter 5. He has 100 sons, and chief of the sons is Bharat, among whom, by whose name this Varsha is known as Bharat Varsha. We will hear it about in detail in 5th canto. Then 10th incarnation is Haigriva. Haigriva is an incarnation in a sacrifice is appeared performed by Brahma. So he is the personified sacrifices, and the hue of his body is golden. He is the personality personified Vedas as well, and the super soul of all demigods. When he breathed, all the sweet sounds of the Vedic hymns came out of his nostrils. The 11th incarnation is Fish. This fish has 2 times fish has appeared. So about this fish incarnation he will hear in 8th canto, 24th chapter, how he favored the king Satyavrata, and that is during the 6th Manu's time. And this Satyavrata came as son of Vivaswan and became the 7th Manu. Now current Manu is this Vaivasvata, and in each Manu has 71 millennia Divya Yuga, and in the 7th Manu's 28th Dvapar, the Lord came. That happened in 5,000 years back. This fish, it will be described how there is a Purana called Matsya Purana. This Lord Fish will give instructions to Satyavrata Muni, that is described in Matsya Purana. Then 12th incarnation is tortoise, this Kurma. Kurma is very famous because he lifted this Mandara Parvata. At the time of churning up milk ocean, he achieved a form of 1 lakh jojan. You can imagine 1 lakh jojan. That is in that milk ocean. We will hear about this milk ocean, all these things in 5th canto. So this this tortoise Kurma. Sutta Goswami remembers this incarnation in the last chapter of 12th canto, that is 12th canto, 12th chapter. How while he was breathing, such a huge breath was coming, and till now there is waves in the oceans. All these things we will hear in 12th canto, 12th chapter. We have already had. 12th canto. And 13th incarnation, Lord Nrsimha. Lord Nrsimha, his father is no one his father. He came from pillar. He came from pillar in the golden age in Satya Yuga. And about his pastimes, there is description in Srimad Bhagavatam, 7th canto. We will hear 7th canto. 15 chapters are there that describes about Lord Nrsimhadev, at least 10 chapters. Lord Nrsimhadev's pastimes in described. Then 14th incarnation is Lord Hari. Lord Hari is an Manvantara avatar, and it will be described in 8th canto, 2nd and 3rd chapters, how the Lord Hari came and rescued the king of elephant. In text 15, Brahma says about this Hari, because Parikshit Maharaj wanted to hear more about this Hari. That's why this Hari, in pastimes of Lord Hari, is described in 2 chapters, king of elephant, Gajaraja, like that. So there is that story will be described in 8th canto we'll hear, but Brahma tells it in brief. So he says, Anta Sarisurubalena Pade Gruhita Grahena Jutha Patir Ambuja Hastartha Ayadamadi Purusha Kilalokanatha Tirtha Srava Sravana Mangalanamadheya. That is a famous song by Salavega. Gajaraja Chinta Kala Thai Guru Jarena. Like that. This Gajaraja. And the leader of the elephants, whose leg was attacked in a river, that is a reservoir. We will hear in 8th canto. By a crocodile of superior strength, was much aggrieved. 1,000 years they started fighting, and the demigods were watching this fight. And finally, when this king of elephants saw no one is there to help him, so he took shelter of the Lord, Hari. So, taking a lotus flower in his trunk, he addressed the Lord, saying, O original angel, Lord of the universe, O deliverer, as famous as a place of pilgrimage, all are purified simply by hearing your holy name, which is worthy to be chanted. Ayadamadi Purusham, Kilalokanatha. These four adjectives, four qualities of the Lord, stated by the leader of the elephants, whose leg was attacked by in a river by a crocodile of superior strength, was much aggrieved. Taking a lotus flower in his trunk, he addressed the Lord, saying, O original angel, Lord of the universe, O deliverer, as famous as a place of pilgrimage, all are purified simply by hearing your holy name, which is worthy to be chanted. So, okay, in this way, there is also incarnation of Lord Vamana. Lord Vamana's pastimes will be described in 8th canto, 15 to 23, these 9 chapters. Then Lord Hansa, that's pastime is 11th canto, 13th chapter, we have already had. Then Manvantar Avatar, each day of Manu, there are 14 Manu, in each day of Brahma, 14 Manus are there. And Dhanvantari is Ayurvedic, he is a compiler of Ayurveda, Dhanvantari, and Parsuram, he will kill the Kshatriyas and that 21 times. Then Lord Rama, Lord Rama's incarnation should be described in 9th canto, 2 chapters, Lord Rama. And then Lord Krishna, his pastimes is described from 26 to 35, this 10 verses. So how he killed Putana and all these things. And about Lord Krishna, there are 90 chapters in 10th canto. We have already had. We started this Bhagavatam from 10th canto. We have had it. So, in this way, there is no end to the Lord's pastimes. Because it is time, I don't like to describe this verse. So, he has so many unlimited pastimes. So, this is called Bhagavata. This is called Bhagavata, stated by the Lord to Brahma in 4 verses. That will be described in, already we have described, it will be described just in 9th chapter. So thank you very much for listening to this discourse, and please don't forget to subscribe, share and like our channel and get the blessings of the Lord. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. We are in this Zurich Lake. This is Zurich Lake, and we are having Sankirtan here by the Iskcon devotees.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.